even before the AI push, which there definitely is a growing AI push in the region, and Saudi Arabia is going to be a big player in this. But even before that, as you've outlined, there was this push for these countries, especially Saudi Arabia, to divert more capital spending into producing more non-associated gas to be used more domestically, but initially just to upgrade that domestic infrastructure so there is more natural gas used domestically. Because this already made a lot of sense, because that would free up a lot more of the crude oil to be exported, which tends to be a much better and much more lucrative business for them to be exporting that oil. But the good news is they really are blessed with these natural resources, and there is the natural gas reserves. So as long as they, spend more in it, there will be more natural gas production for Saudi Aramco and for the Saudi Arabia government. But another one is, for a very long time, their motto has been just more energy, no matter where it comes from, which I think plays well into this AI story as well, because they are investing more in natural gas, they are investing more in solar, but it's not necessarily coming at the expense of the other sources. When you look at Saudi Aramco and when you look at their capital spending guidance for this year, it's bigger than, even though oil prices are much softer and the outlook is much much softer, their capex guidance is higher than last year. And as the macroeconomic conditions worsen and it becomes a little more difficult for them to even hold on to their base dividends, they are keeping their capex relatively high, which shows you that their motto is just more of all types of energy. They're still investing in oil. They're investing a lot more in natural gas. I think they will increase their spending in other sources as well. And as you again correctly outlined, I think the AI push is just going to accelerate it. It's not changing the direction. I think it's just going to accelerate it.